equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the original keyboard on your Lenovo Yoga laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively complete the replacement. First, power off your Lenovo Yoga and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any damage. Now, let's remove the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws located at the back of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back cover removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to ensure there's no power running through the device. This step is essential for your safety and the integrity of the laptop. Next, we will focus on the keyboard itself. Look for the screws that secure the keyboard in place. These are usually located around the edges of the keyboard. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek assistance. Once the screws are out, gently lift the keyboard from the laptop. You may need to use the spudger to help release any clips holding it in place. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. Now, let's clean the area where the keyboard sits. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will ensure that your new keyboard fits perfectly and functions well. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes it easy to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. After cleaning, it's time to install the new keyboard. Align it carefully with the connectors and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the keyboard. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the keyboard. Reconnect the battery and replace the back cover. Screw it back into place, ensuring all screws are secure. If you're unsure about any of these steps, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga and test the new keyboard to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. With these steps, you should have successfully replaced your keyboard and restored your laptop's functionality. Thank you for following along. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.